Good morning. Thought I would do a little, actually, is it even the morning? I think it's like 12:05, 20 past 12. I'm a little bit behind. Thought I'd do a little vegan what I eat in a day, or what I eat in a day as a vegan. I actually think we might be having pizza later. I'm not sure. I might be making a pasta bake. I don't know what I'm doing for lunch. We'll see. It's a bit of a disorganized video, but I feel like that's kind of helpful because it just shows you, oh my god, it just shows you a really realistic what I eat in a day, because not everyone plans their meals all the time. So we'll see what today brings. I've not eaten anything yet, but I've had a cup of tea and I've also got a digestion drink here. There's like a sachet in it called Digestion Plus, which helps obviously with your gut health, which is important. And there's also a skin elixir in to help with collagen. Definitely a daily must. But I'm just working from home. I'm supposed to be out today, but plans cancelled. And I actually asked the universe yesterday. Well, I didn't ask, I just said I don't want to work tomorrow, as in like go out for work. And then an hour later I had messages from my clients saying we can't have you tomorrow. So I was like, thank you, universe. I'm working from home, but I just got this delivery from Hexxee. I showed them in a few vlogs ago the first few pairs that I picked up because I am sponsored by them, which, if you haven't heard of them before, they are the funkiest sock brand and they actually do really nice quality socks. And these, I think, especially for someone who goes to the gym, these are just really cute to pair with your outfits. So I've got some gamer socks, reminding me of my childhood because I used to play on the PS1 a lot. These unicorn socks, which they're kind of hard to show you, but it's just clouds and rainbows, but they're super faded, so they're quite like girly, but they're not too in your face. Then we've got these marble ones, which are just so pretty. Some a bit out there red flame socks. I wouldn't usually pick these up, but I think they'd go so nicely with a red outfit. This deeper blue zebra print sock. I don't have any zebra print socks yet, but I just think that this blue would go so nicely with so many different outfits. And lastly, another one of the leopard swirl patterns, but this one is baby pink and baby blue, because how cute is that? Very cute. Marnie20 saves you 20%. You're welcome, and thank you so much for using my code. This is not sponsored, I just thought I would share it with you because I'm obsessed. And I think I'm gonna go try some on because I'm that sad. I do actually need to get some content for the gram, so perfect timing. Okay, the red outfit is on. Little cherry red right away moment. And I think these match perfectly. It's quite like an intense outfit, but I feel like perfect for a leg day. I love wearing shorts on leg day, and this is like, don't mess with me, I'm trying to grow my pins. I actually have hairy legs, but I don't think my phone is actually going to pick it up, so I think we're safe. Thought I'd give you a little behind the scenes of taking some photos. So I've got my mirror here, so that I've got the light coming straight on me, and then I can just get like a nice little photo with my socks on show. We'll see how it goes.
Come on over, let's pick up where we left off. You and I had lots of love just to top it off. We can wind it down for days, never let it stop. I just want your everything, baby. Maybe later we can dance, never let go. Listen to our favorite songs on the radio. Losing up and lose ourselves to this feeling, oh. I just want your everything, baby. I'll be deep under your influence tonight.
I think we've got it, and that's a wrap. So I need to sit down and do some work, but I'm so hungry, so I think I'm gonna go make some lunch. But I thought I'd just quickly show you what I'm wearing today. I don't know why I was doing this. So this little top is from Zara. It's just like a ribbed cotton crop top that I've tucked in. It's from quite a while ago, so you probably can't pick it up now. And then These trousers are from Primark and they are from the sustainable range. They're actually so nice, comfortable, can pull it in at the waist as much as you want. So that's me, little work from home outfit. Okay, I've probably showed you this so many times, but meal number one is going to be a smoothie bowl. So in here I've got 120 millilitres of oat milk, I believe, half a frozen banana, 100 grams of frozen cauliflower. So this is all just going to be super creamy and cold and like thick and icy. To add to the creaminess though, because it's not creamy enough, I'm going to add half an avocado because this is getting a bit old now. For protein, I'm using the vegan strawberry protein by Arbonne. I love this flavour, and I've got a syrup to go with this as well at the end. And then also I'm putting in 8 grams of chia seeds, and I'll show you what I'm putting on top at the end when it's all blended up.
Drinking from your bottle, baby, calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby, I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby, calling it wasted love.
The syrup that I used in my smoothie bowl was actually sugar free, so basically 0 calorie, which is insane. It tasted so good, but it's actually pretty much brand new, recently released by Women's Best. So I'm going to leave my link down below if you want to check it out. Thank you if you do shop through my link, but just so I would let you know, because gotta save them calories wherever you can and use them on biscuits. I'm just trying to get my head down and focus, but I'm just feeling so tired at the moment. Okay, so while I was working earlier downstairs on my laptop, I was handed this by Nate, which is the Nomo chocolate bar. Obviously it's vegan and all of that, nut-free, everything. This brand is insane. I ate about 3/4 of it, and I'm gonna go and finish the rest. I have no idea how many calories it is. I'm not gonna look. I'm gonna go make my dinner and then finish that off, because I'm patting myself on the back for overcoming a massive fear of mine. I'm actually like shaking a little bit right now, and you probably can't tell, but just development in my network marketing business and doing something that makes me so nervous I lose my voice. And I did lose my voice, but I held my own, and I'm proud of myself. So I'm just welcoming all this awkward energy because it's bringing growth. That's all I have to say. I'm gonna go make some dinner. I'm hungry. It's 7:30. Look how red my ears are. That's how I'm feeling right now. So this is my dinner. Basically just a potato salad with vegan sausage. Super tasty because there's loads of potato in there. Also nutritious because we've got salad and a good bit of protein with the sausage. So just what I need. I look like a pineapple right now. But I've got this little darling on me. That's a sassy little face. You're not going to say hello? I just enjoyed my dinner. It was very lovely. Currently sat watching old series of Towie because I really like trashy TV and I'm not afraid to admit it. I feel so knackered, but very positive about today. And I see you looking at the camera, you little flirt. I am planning on a Papa John's and Disney Plus night on the weekend, and I'm really excited because Mulan has come out, so I really want to watch that. You fancy that? Should we have the duvet on the sofa? Get a Papa John's? Get some cinnamon rolls maybe? I know what you like. I got you. But yeah, I am going to probably finish off that chocolate bar. Definitely over calories today, but it's too good and I'm proud of myself. So rather than having a late night and screwing up my routine, I'm just going to enjoy that, have a cup of tea and prep for tomorrow and start again. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Do it for the little darling. I think you just winked at the camera. Definitely subscribe if you haven't already and you want to see more from me and this little queen. And yeah, thank you for watching. I will see you very soon. Just say bye. Bye. Goodbye.